potato. So today I got 2 packages, parcels, whatever, and I'm going to be opening it. So the first one is some Kool-Aid, one little packet. When I get Black Hoochie, I don't know. It might be in that package, in this one, but I don't know. I opened that one, but I haven't opened this one. So I'm certain that Chef Pee Pee is in here, but I'm not gonna say. Okay, we got Chef Pee Pee. Let's get it. So let me open this. It's pretty good. I think this is a good one. Alright. Let me get some scissors. This is hard. Alright. Oh wait, that's not one. This is hard. Right. Alright, so I've got it out. No. Alright, there's a load of like things in his head. One just gonna cut off. Cut all of them off. Cut. Oh, they're all. And I'll just cut this bit off. How many things is going to here? It's just insane. Okay. This is, I'm just gonna say, I don't even know what this is. Okay. You need to sort it out. I have to sort it out a bit. Junior, you're such a little brat. It's pretty. I think this Chef Pee Pee looks just like Super Mario Kart. When I made a reaction video here, that's what it looks like. That's what it did. Oh my gosh, it has to look like that. Yeah. Everything's just stapled in. Everything. Alright, so I think everything's still with it. Okay, let's try it on. I already tried it on. This is going to be the second time with me having it on. Junior, you're such a little brat. Let me put the rod on. It comes with a wooden rod. Has like a little sticky thing, and I think it. Don't really know, to be honest. Anyway, it's got this rod. Pretty cool. I don't even know how this sticks on. I don't even know what this is. Oh, here. On it. Is it on both sides? Yeah, it is on both sides. So, if I go and put this right. Alright. Junior, get in here right now. Jeffy. Junior, you're such a little brat. Junior, you're such a little brat. Junior, wait, let me get my Junior. I'll give you 1 second. Right, guys, so I just got my Junior right here. So I can just do a bit of a scene. So let's take his rod off. That's my cat, sorry. Lolly. Chef Pee Pee! What up, you brat? Oh, get away! That's just a bit of acting. Junior, you're such a little brat! Get kitchen. I look so beautiful. Anyway, this is my chef PP. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. Oh.